To get custom font on a Samsung Galaxy F07, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter display right here, and then we can scroll down until we find the font size and style. Here click on font style, then select download fonts, and here also make sure that you have internet connection. It may also ask you for your Galaxy account, so log into Galaxy account, and after that we'll be able to download custom fonts. So choose whichever font you like, but keep in mind that some of them will have a price tag, so you'll need to pay for them to actually use them. In this case, we're gonna find some free font like this one. We can click on the download button, and after a moment it should be installed on our phone. That way we can go back to our font styles and then choose the font that we've just downloaded. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.